Hello and welcome to the STEIL animal cell model video. In this video, I will discuss how the model was printed as well as a description of the parts. This model was specifically designed with the NGSS MS LS12 standard in mind, which states, develop and use a model to describe the function of a cell as a whole and ways the parts of cells contribute to the function. Clarification statement. Emphasis is on the cell functioning as a whole system and the primary role of identified parts of the cell, specifically the nucleus, chloroplasts, mitochondria, cell membrane, and cell wall. Due to following MS-LS12, this model comes in several pieces based on the parts that are stressed in the clarification statement. Standard PLA filament was used for all parts of this model. Watermelon was used for the mitochondria, purple was used for the nucleus, and white was used for the base of the cell. The model was printed at 120% of the original STL file and no wraps or supports were used during printing. Various colored paint markers were used after printing for details on the base of the cell, and purple acrylic paint was used for the cell membrane. This is the base of the cell and has extra details for aesthetics, or they could be used as additional deeper learning opportunities to introduce cytoplasm and organelles such as rough and smooth ER, ribosomes, the Golgi apparatus, microtubules, and lysosomes. We did not print the cell membrane as its own piece, despite it being one of the emphasized parts of the cell according to the NGSS. This was because we wanted to emphasize that plant cells have a cell wall and wanted to separate any confusion regarding cell membranes and cell walls. Instead, we used purple acrylic paint to color the outside and rim of the base to represent the cell membrane. The primary function of the cell membrane is to separate the inside and the outside of the cell and control what goes in and comes out. This is the nucleus. The primary function of the nucleus is to store the genetic information. These are the mitochondria. The primary function of the mitochondrion is to generate energy by breaking down sugars. Thanks for watching the STEIL animal cell model video. We hope this model will be helpful for exploring cell structure and function. As always, a link to the model's STL files and a sample lesson plan are in the video description below.